If you want to optimize your Instagram bio, then you're at the right place. In the step number one, we need to find the three best hashtags that are most suitable for our Instagram account. So in my case, since it is in the business niche, so I'm just typing the hashtag as business. So when I type hashtag as business, here you can see there are a lot of hashtags that we got from the Instagram search bar, right? So in these hashtags list, we need to find the three best hashtags which are having minimum 1 million posts in it and maximum 3 million posts. We should not go further. I mean, we should not cross the limit of those 3 million posts, because if you are going over 3 million posts, then it is very difficult for us to rank for that hashtag. So just try to find the hashtag which is in between the range of 1 million to 3 million. All right, so after finding the hashtags, what we need to do is just come over this website called ahrefs.com/keyword generator. Don't worry, I'm going to provide you this link in the description, and after coming over here, just type your hashtags. Okay, for example, if I got an hashtag which is called as business ideas, right? So when I typed it and when I'm checking it, here you can see it is having 31k volume per month. So this shows us that this hashtag is can be searchable. I mean, people are directly searching for this keyword on Google. So it means there is a high chance people are also going to search for this hashtag directly on the Instagram search bar, which is over here. So our main aim is, whenever people search for that hashtag, we need to rank in the Instagram search results. For example, here you can see when I type business ideas, I'm ranking at the fourth place, right? This is happening because I'm not consistently posting the content, or else I would be at the second place or the first place, whatever it may be. So you people got what I would like to say, right? So all you need to do is just type the all hashtags which you found over there, and choose the best three hashtags which are having high volume, and don't bother about the difficulty, because we are not trying to rank in the Google. Just find the hashtags that are having the high search volume, and after finding those three best performing hashtags, you're done with the step number one. In the step number two, what you need to keep in the mind is, always make sure you are writing about the benefits when people are following your Instagram account. For example, here you can see clearly that follow for new business ideas. As I said you before, business ideas is my hashtag, right? In If there is possibility of inserting three hashtags, then just do that. If you couldn't do that, then at least try to add one hashtag. In my case, I only used one hashtag, but try to use three hashtags. It's good when you people can use three hashtags. It is going to perform so well. So what I would like to say is, whenever you are trying to write bio, try to convince the person who is visiting your profile by saying the benefits that they are going to get by following you. For example, if someone follows me, I'm telling that they are going to get business ideas, and I'm also telling them that I can help them reach the sky profits. So this is how you need to tell them. You need to convince people by telling the benefits that they get when they are following your account. All right, so this is the second step that you need to keep in mind. Okay, so in the third step, what we are going to do is, we need to follow 10 to 15 accounts which are in the same niche that we are in. You might wonder why I'm telling to follow the other people, right? So you are going to know the main reason behind it in the next video, but for now, just follow the people, don't unfollow them. Instagram is not liking follow and unfollow method. Just follow the 10 to 15 accounts that are more related for your Instagram account, that are more related for your Instagram content. All right, so for me, business ideas 365 is the more related account, right? So what you need to do is, initially you need to follow all these kind of accounts which are more suitable for your niche. So after following these 10 to 15 accounts which are more suitable for your Instagram content, and which are suitable for your Instagram account, just try to copy their bios. Okay, why I'm saying to copy their bios is, you need to make a correct magic mixture for your Instagram page, right? So just copy these lines which are more related for you. Copy all these lines into notepad or anywhere where you feel comfortable. And if you are feeling it difficult to find the same niche content, same niche accounts, then just come over this website called searchmy.bio. All right, just come over this website called searchmy.bio and just type the keywords. Like in my case, business ideas is my keyword, right? So when I type this keyword, I'm going to get few recommendations of different profiles, right? So you need to go through the bios of each and every person, and you need to make the right mixture for yourself. In the step number 4, what you need to do is always keep in mind that whenever you're writing the bio, in the last step, in the 4th step, you need to have call to action. Call to action means, for example, if you are running a food related Instagram page, then your call to action will be like, order the food right now. And if you are having a YouTube channel like me, then you can do the call to action like this: my new YouTube channel. So this is how you can do that. All right, so this is how call to action should be added, whatever it may be. If you want subscribers, just add the subscribe now call to action. If there are a lot of call to actions, just google it for call to actions. You're going to find a lot of call to actions. All right, so here you can see there are 40 call to actions that are listed in this website. So these are the different kind of call to actions. Just pick the one call to action which is more suitable for you, and definitely make sure you are adding the call to action in the 4th line. And in the first 3 lines, make sure you are using emojis. Trust me on this, there are a lot of big brands on the Instagram that are using emojis in their bio, and these emojis are working like so good, because these emojis are going to grab the attention of the viewer or the audience who are looking at your profile. All right, so in the first 3 lines, what you need to do is you need to list the benefits that your audience are getting by following your Instagram account, or just try to explain about your business with the right hashtags. All right, and in the 4th line, what you are going to do is you are going to set some kind of call to action that your audience should need to do. This call to action is very, very important. So I hope you liked this video. In the next video, I'm going to explain you, which is really, really magical. You are going to know which post is performing better, and trust me on this, you're going to get a lot of followers for your Instagram account by doing these optimization steps. So make sure you're watching the next video as well. If you haven't watched my previous video, which is based on optimizing Instagram username, then make sure you watch that video as well. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. Hope you like this video. Thank you.